All right, so now that we have learned a bit more about the Battle of Gettysburg and why it was considered the turning point of the Civil War, we're going to be reading a short passage that just gives us a brief overview of how the Battle of Gettysburg came to be and why it was considered the most important battle. But before, I wanted to go over with you some important terms that I will be defining throughout the passage. So the important terms are Union, Confederate, draft, allegiance, commander, bombarded, retreated, and surrender. And important people to consider as you are reading the passage are General Robert E. Lee, General George Meade, and Commander George Pickett. So I'm going to be looking for a few volunteers to help me read each paragraph of the passage, and afterwards we are going to be completing a close activity that ties with the reading.
Early July of 1863, Union and the Confederates met in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. Union forces were led by General George Meade. Confederate forces were led by General E. Lee. The battle began on July 1, 1863, and lasted for 3 days, ending on July 3. At first, the Confederate Army conquered the Union troops. However, on the second day, more troops have arrived, and both armies were